Hello friends around the world and welcome to my channel. So today we will do medical terms. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing when we think about it is when we think about medical terms as hospital. Okay, if one said hospital, I'm gonna said سبيطار. سبيطار. Perfect. I want to go to the hospital. غنمشي. I want. بغيت. Sorry. I want is بغيت. نمشي. سبيطار. بغيت نمشي سبيطار. So بغيت نمشي سبيطار like in the present. So if I said I did go to the hospital, مشيت للسبيطار. مشيت للسبيطار. مشيت للسبيطار like alone, it's okay. If I go accompany someone, go with someone, as I'm gonna say مشيت سبيطار مع اختي خويا, my sister, my brother, or if I want just my family, مع عائلتي. عائلتي. Okay, perfect. So if I want to question about are you sick? Okay, so are you sick? واش انت مريض? واش انت مريض? So this is for masculine. Okay, let's go and ask a girl, a woman. واش انتي مريضة? واش انتي مريضة? So this term can be used as also to mention if the person you're talking to is crazy, okay, in some kind. But here واش انتي مريضة عيانة, okay, it's you having fatigue, okay, عيانة, عيان, okay, having fatigue. But sometimes as you find this word, as I mentioned, the word مريض or مريضة is used as to mention as the person is crazy or is going to be crazy. It's talking nonsense, okay? For example, if I want to say the person واش انت مريض في راسك? واش انت مريض في راسك? Have sickness in your head, but in a way to mention that you're crazy or talking no sense, okay? You're talking no sense. واش انت مريض في راسك or واش انتي مريضة في راسك, okay? The person is talking no sense, okay? So this about if I want to say you sick, okay? If I go and I see the doctor, so the doctor is طبيب for male, طبيب, and for female, طبيبة, طبيبة, okay? So I want to see a doctor. بغيت نشوف طبيب. بغيت نشوف طبيب. Perfect. I want to see doctor that is female. بغيت نشوف طبيبة. بغيت نشوف طبيبة. Perfect. If for example we want to talk about to mention the how to say which doctor exactly we want to see, which doctor is to set the doctor طبيب and to set the where his expert, okay, the expert, okay. It's for example a bone doctor is not like that, it's gonna be the opposite. طبيب, doctor of bones, okay. طبيب ديال العظام. Okay, I don't know the term exactly, but I'm saying it's here in English I'm saying it separate and with this words, and also this is how we said it in Darija, Moroccan Arabic. Okay, so طبيب ديال of ديال العظام. This is just one example. طبيب ديال القلب, the heart, heart doctor. طبيب ديال cardiologist. طبيب ديال القلب. طبيب ديال القلب. So we don't have one word, we have the doctor and we have the expertise as the end, okay? Of is ديال, okay? The doctor of heart. Perfect. So this, you go ahead and you mention the doctor you want to see, okay? You're good, all done, okay? Okay, that's it. Though I'm gonna need any analysis or any test, okay? واش غنحتاج ندير شي test, or you can set اختبار, okay? It was like sorry, اختبار, we said it like in a way of like school, okay, normally, but we said like test, medical tests, I'm sorry, we use تحاليل, okay? تحاليل, analysis of medical. اختبار, we don't use it here so much, yeah, we don't use it so much. It's, yeah, the word translation is, the meaning is correct, but we don't use it in this case. We use تحاليل, the test, analysis, تحاليل. Perfect. So this in case I'm gonna need any analysis, any test, واش غنحتاج شي تحاليل, or you have some analysis, some tests to do, عندك شي تحاليل ديرهم or ديريهم for girl, عندك شي تحاليل ديرهم, so this is for male, عندك شي تحاليل ديريهم, this is for girl, okay? Woman, girl, female, okay? Perfect. So this is, we talk about the doctor, we talk about the analysis, the hospital, okay, what else? You're sick, okay? If something else like hurt you, okay? واش شي حاجة كضرك, okay? واش شي حاجة كضرك. So this question can be for female or male, and sometimes we can use for female, واش شي حاجة كضركي, okay? But usually we use the same phrase in this case. واش شي حاجة كضرك, that means there is anything that hurt you or hurt you in your body. So maybe your head, maybe your stomach, your, okay, راسك, يدك, كرشك, the stomach, heart, قلبك, okay? So there is any part of the body that hurting you, and you're gonna say yes, or no, لا. تا حاجة ما كضرني, nothing hurt me. تا حاجة ما كضرني. If I want to say yes, as I mentioned, كيضرني راسي. Or if I want to say all, I'm gonna say كل شي كيضرني. كل شي كيضرني. كنحس بالعيا, like fatigue, كنحس بالعيا. Like my hands, my legs, my head is numb. نمل. Or if I want to talk about the plural, منملين. I know this word, this kind of like sounds so different and so hard for you, but just try it. Okay, let's make it slow. Okay, lean. So I am. Okay, lean. This is in global, all like bodies is not, okay? One part is not نمل راسي, okay? I'm gonna say my head is not راسي منمل, راسي نمل. Okay, perfect. So we talk about that, we talk like, okay, let's talk about itchy, okay? My head, for example, it's itchy. يدي كتاكلني, يدي. Okay, so this is the يدي, okay, يدي كتاكلني, يدي كتاكلني, يدي كتاكلني, okay? Or I can use another term is في الحكة, حكة, that's like itchiness, حكة, okay, حكة, perfect. Yes, if you have bumps, okay, it's called حبوب, حبوب, okay, بو. Okay. حبو. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know. Okay. And we will continue part 2 of medical terms. Thank you so much. See you next time. And bye bye. Salam.